Hello everyone. Today in this Python session, we will be using predefined functions in Python. Function is a statement or a block of statement which is which is written to perform a particular task. There are two types of function that we have seen: predefined function and user defined function. In one of the Python session, we have seen user-defined function, and today we will see about predefined functions in Python. Predefined means built-in or system-defined or library functions. It means these are already developed by Python developers and given in the Python library. We are just calling this function in our Python code. So we will see we will see Python predefined function. First function is type checking function. First category of function is type checking function. Type checking function. Now this type checking function is, as we know, in Python we are not writing data type before variable. We are just assigning value to the variable, and according to the value of variable, the data type of variable is assumed. Want to print the type of variable, I have a ready-made function type. In bracket I am giving the variable name. It will be displaying the data type of variable a. Now a is its type is integer because we have assigned a numerical value to a variable. If I want to print type of variable b, it will be showing str, means string, means collection of character, because b is having a sequence of character in it. If I am having floating number and if I want to display its type, so it will be showing float data type of variable. So predefined function in Python for type checking is a type function. In bracket we have to give the name of variable whose data type we want to display. Another category of predefined function in Python is input output function. Input output function in Python, which is given already by the Python library. The display function in Python is the output statement function, or output function in Python is print, in which we are giving the message in double quotes that we want to print. It will be displayed as it is. And input function in Python is where I want to read input from the user from the keyboard, and that we want to store in one of the variable. For example, in name variable, I want input from the keyboard, so I will be writing input. In bracket I am giving message which I want to give or display to the user. Enter username. So this input function is the function which is used to read data or input from the keyboard or user, and we will be giving that data. And print function is used to display the message on the screen. Whatever message we want to display as it is, we have to write it in double quotes. It will be displayed as it is. If we want to display the value of the variable, we have to write it in the print function without double quotes. It will display the value stored in that variable. So this was the second category of predefined function, that is input output function. Now third category of Python predefined function is Type conversion function. Type conversion function. It means one data type value is converted to another data type. For example, now when this is required, for example, suppose this b variable is having floating value 98.7. If I want, now the data type of this b variable will be, of course, the float, because it is having a point value in it. So data type of variable b is float. Now I want to convert this floating variable into integer. So how I can write it? Suppose print in bracket. This b is of type float. So I want to convert this float into which data type? Int. So I will be writing int. In bracket we can mention whose value I want to convert into the integer data type, the variable p. So we are mentioning that in bracket. What does it mean? The value of b variable, which is float, will be converted into int and it will be displayed on the screen. Now it is 98. So 98.7 is converted into the 98 pure integer number by using int function. If any variable is having integer value, now the data type of this b variable is, of course, it will be integer. Okay, if I want to convert that into the floating number, I can use float function. In bracket I will give the name of variable b. Its value will be converted to into the floating value. So these are the type conversion function in Python. So this was about predefined functions in Python, type checking function, input output function, and type conversion function. Hope you have understood the predefined functions in Python. See you in the next session.